Wales has a brave and proud history of LGBTQ+ people and allies standing up for their rights. Perhaps the one you know is the story of the Lesbians and Gays Support the Miners campaign during the miners' strike. But Wales has a hidden LGBTQ+ history. At Archives Wales, we went to uncover it. Researching LGBTQ+ people in the past can be difficult. Male homosexuality was a criminal offence. Negative views were held across society. Traditional gender roles reigned. LGBTQ+ people had to keep their authentic selves hidden. Crime and punishment records. That's where we find some of the earliest surviving records documenting the lives of LGBTQ+ people in South Wales. Narina Shopland, a writer and historian specialising in LGBTQ+ history and Welsh heritage, took a deeper look into some of these records.
Queer in Glamorgan is a guide to assist researchers with a study of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender and queer history in Wales. Searching the records held within Glamorgan archives, we identified people who may have been arrested for LGBTQ+ related crimes. One of the volumes found is the fingerprint and photographic registers of Cardiff Police, providing recorded information on people arrested in Cardiff during that period.
Moving forwards to more recent history, this is a 1987 poster from the Gwent Lesbian and Gay group, who, as well as throwing a tootsie of a night out, would share important information about HIV and AIDS. These magazines and stickers were created by the older Lesbian Network Wales during the 90s. The stickers refer to Mardi Gras, the forerunner to the Cardiff Pride event, which has developed into today's Pride Cymru celebration. Quite a contrast to the police and court records created in the early part of the century. We would love to see more material like this among the collections held by Wales's archive services. What may seem insignificant to you, a poster or a flyer, a newsletter or a sticker, may be of great interest to us. If you think you have material that could be of interest, please get in touch with your local archive service, and let's continue to piece together Wales's hidden history.